Bafana through to the last 16 as the Africa Cup of Nations avengosibekela kwindawo kule tumente ubheka phambili kwenzeka kahle Hugo Bros uncumile lapha khoyo captain uRonza Ronan Williams uthathe bafana mfundini wisa kwi-knockout stages for the second time if not the third time qualify not as a host. That is why I regard him as the best South African goalkeeper of all time. If you have a challenger, it's fine. Challenge me. Bobsin, Yanpigis.
Angikuphikisi Shane.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uyazi bafana iwinning ngabani score namhlanje?
Bafana.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, ngiyazi ukuthi iwinning ngakho.
Uyazi le sinobele ngayo thina eSouth Africa. Yabazi ububele yini?
Yeah,
like a kindness.
Shane. Yeah.
Indlela sinobele ngayo Bobsin. Thina sakwazi vele sikora amagoli ayi4. Ukore 1 na sithi no it's fine. Siwine ngo 3-2.
Yeah, ngiyakubamba Shane. Angisho kuningi kumele ukubheke lapha. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi nabo banabo ububele abadlali beZimbabwe uma ungabheka ugame namhlanje. Yes, ama mistakes wabonile but ububele nabo banabo.
Oh esasandla.
Yeah, ngiyacabanga ukuthi banabo ububele.
Beautiful. But ke bawuzini bese ubukele sibabe nomdlalo mhlobo. Emele ukubulise unichazela ukuthi umdlalo wakho ubona kanjani namhlanje bafana.
Yeah, ithi ngikubulise Shane. Ngibulise namadoda wonke la studio Shane. Yeah.
Before siqhubeke.
Yeah.
Besidlala ngalo singabona against iAngola. Besidlala Angola our previous game.
Angola.
No, we're playing against Egypt.
Egypt, yes.
Remember what you said before interview?
Angisakhumbuli Shane.
Anilibali kakhulu.
Ngitheni?
I was wearing an Arsenal jersey. And you said we lost because ndinxibe iskipa sama debut.
Yeah, so
namhlanje
ikuposition bani Orlando Pirates like hi.
Bozini.
No, ngiyakhuluma season. Ikuposition bani Orlando Pirates le season.
No,
I'm asking. Ikuposition bani. Uyabona uma ucoka ithi.
Bozini, take it away. Take it away. Take it
away. Shane, ithi ngibongise uMadala ngibongise ne technical team yakhe yonke.
Yeah.
The players Shane. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi Mzansi ujabulile Shane ukuthi siqualifyile ukuya kula 16.
Sure.
The way qualifying ngakhona Shane 6 points. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi asizange mhlawumbe sisadinga ama favors wabanye abantu ngishizo ku Mr Nkewu
2 wins out of 3.
Mr Nkewu yeah ngathi no thina sizwine leni game yethu ukuthi ubani nobani badlala kanjani into engasifunde. So Shane ngiyacabanga ukuthi the way si approach game ngakhona siqale kahle the first mhlambe 15 minutes besibonakala sine confidence especially bowling because into ebalekile sometimes ukuthi ugain confidence ngeball position then kuzoba lula for wena ukuthi wenze lento ufuna ukuyenza. So Shane salithola igoli ngomremi it's a lucky goal ubonile kune deflection but angeke uthathe nix kumdlali beka ku position right shot on target wayenza. So it's good ukuthi sivule ngegoli early Shane but after lapho mawungabheka iZimbabwe iyasibonisa Shane ukuthi nabo they can play, they can score because uma ungabheka the way badlala ngakhona these guys kuno guy bathi angazi bathi uGalloway ubandlala ku left back ngapha kunomdlalo ofana ku right back kunolunga ngapha labadlali ba make sure ukuthi abavumi ama winger we South Africa adlale always kumele bayenzeni bazama ukungena phakathi bheka the way ulunga beka shut down yonke into engale kule side la kaMremi uyangathanda nale center back edlala ku left they were assisting ukuthi uma lose ball position then uyahamba uyomcover. So it was difficult for thina ukuthi sidlale ngalama winger and uma baceda benzani bazi ukuthi la phakathi leyo creativity izoba khona kumbule but bathumela umdlali ofana noNakamba uhlezi la phambi kwale back four ugada umbule yonke into umbule afuna ukuyenza unaye ula uphefemulela la emva kwakhe ukuthi angamana thatha ibhola libisele move. So I game plan yabo bokuyileyo ukuthi okay guys asivumi labantu badlale if bazodlala le emasayidini ababuye ngapha because okay sibavuma aba receive but ababuye phakathi bazoza la sibafuna khona because bebazama ukuclose la space ukuthi ingakhona iSouth Africa ukuthi ikwazi ukudlala la phakathi kwalesisu uyangithola. So sibonile Shane ne equalizing yabo ukuthi individual brilliant lo mdlali ubani uMaswahili I think uye lo mdlali I think
that was a great goal.
Shane the way acabanga ngakhona uma ungabheka the way controller ngakhona ibhola and ukwazi futhi nokuthi i-technique ayisebenzise inside the box omunye umuntu angathi asizange Shane give credit go-opponent omunye umuntu uzobheka the worst defender ngakhona ukuthi badribble umdlalo ofana noMbokazi ayikho defender or akekho umdlalo abangamdribble egroundini noma ungathi uma ngabe ibhola uyal understand akekho umdlalo bangamdribble egroundini so lapho ngathi uyabheka uzamile ukuclose umdlalo ofana noMbokazi but bekungana cover the boy ucabange fast wathatha shot on target and wenzani wabona ukuthi okay ngcono ngiplace lela bola and then it's a good goal for Zimbabwe good equalizing goal kula majita the way badlale ngakhona but uma ungabheka uyaya ukuluza lela bola in the middle of the park Shane yes uma uluza ibola esidini uba ne cover because umuntu la uzokwazi ukuya ayel cover but uma uluza la in the middle of the park Shane siya direct
exactly.
And uma siya direct ikuphi cover lapho you understand and iluza bani iluza uwe umdlalo odlala la phakathi so ngiyacabanga ukuthi esidini le Zimbabwe amajita seZimbabwe badlalile Shane but too many mistakes yes sikora ngama mistake we opponent but those are silly mistakes Shane stupid mistakes you can't
especially at that level
you understand Bekulunga he played very well but ekugcineni wenza mistake kulela bola because uyalibona ukuthi well pass ngakhona naye bekangekho sure mhlawumbe uyasho ukhipha kumele kubiza shout abiza igama lakho abiza igama lakhe then you play the ball ku keep we understand and also nginikeze yena futhi umdlalo ofana no Foster as a striker ulinda amabhola afana nalawa because if ungalinda amabhola afana nalawa kuzoba nzima sometimes le mistake abayenzayo isebenzise wena njenge striker so ngiyacabanga ukuthi no Arubi wenza mistake Shane lela bhola bekumele angalibambi why ufuna ukulibamba
you just punch the ball
the ball Shane
but thank you
you understand ngiyambonga but uma sengithi ngibheka the way ngianalyze le game ngakhona he made a stupid mistake chokuthi kahle kahle naye angazi why bekafuna ukulibamba you understand so but siyabonga because of thina usenzile ukuthi singene kula 16 njengoba usho Shane so ngizama ukusho Shane ukuthi amajita waseZimbabwe bayenza ama mistake ekugcineni bheka uNakamba he played very well uNakamba beka wina yonke into lapha but ekugcineni uzobamba lela bhola I don't know mhlambe nabe yabona ngathi uyi last man lizokora but beliphuma lela bhola then uzolibamba ngesandla kule direction la khona ulineman akubhekile ubheke wena phela ulineman ubheke wena lapha but uyolibamba lela bhola so naye siyambonga for lokho Shane ukuthi akwenze so Shane esayidini lethu Shane ithi ngikutshela into one I like the way silale ngakhona ku back 5 uRonza he made ama crucial saves Shane ubonile naleya on goal yaka Opre ukuthi bekuyi save for uRonza so ngiyacabanga ukuthi sidlala kahle kakhulu emuva but kukhona la kunama mistake kule center back Shane angisho ukuthi kanjani ungezani nama mistake Shane yes what blockile amanye amabhola udefendile amanye amabhola as angumdlalo odlala lapha kule center back but kunama mistake Shane uma ungayibheka kahle leya game kunala khona ungezani unokumxaka kumele clear ibhola you understand and into engibhekile ukucover Shane ukusupportana anombokazi umbokazi uyakwazi ukuthi abe khona ku left ku center left ayo assist abo Opre but uyakwazi nokuthi ahambe ayo assista umdlalo ofana nobani no Sailor ku right back we understand I don't know ukuthi sometimes umbokazi uba slowly or kanjani I mean ungezana but sekuzobonakala ngathi ngiyampress umdlalo ofana nongezana but unama mistake I think le pairing yale center back kuyadingakala Shane ukuthi ngabe besinomdlali ozo understandana nomdlalo ofana nombokazi mina I'm telling you ungezana bekazohlala ebenchini I'm sorry to say this ngilethe umdlalo baza understandana because ekugcineni sizokhala la sekwenzeke khona imistake enkulu kabi so uyabona ukuthi the understanding ifana nayo kuphi nala ku center back la ku central midfield I pairing yakayaya no Tebza I click it is kule ya AFCON yasebenzela but kule kulama games esiwabona manje kuba nzima Shane because uyaya unokuluza amabhola banokwa intercept amabhola waphasayo yes no Tebza ungabonile ba interceptor 1-2 yamabhola la khona phasa khona but uyakwazi uTebza kuhamba yolidimanda uyabuya futhi mangaba bamba ibhola uyaprogressa angene kuma attack space as a midfield abheke ukuthi kuphi la ngiyodlala khona but uyaya always angazi ukuthi usuka uthukile okanjani angazi Shane so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukufika kwa Obas wenze i-decision right ucoach Hugo Bros uma ngambheka ukhipha kudonsa uyaya ngiyacabanga ukuthi naye lento le uyibonile ukuthi uyaya kasinikeza inix waletha umdlalo ofana noObas he played very well Shane today uObas uma ngambheka de wafika ngkhona bafike baclicka noTebza bakwazi nalo kusupportana and bekanawo ama forward pass bekakwazi because bebasinikeza space second half because second half akusile Zimbabwe siyibonile edlala first half so I don't know ukuthi what's wrong ha Zimbabwe but ngiyasho ukuthi uObas naye as ngimrate the way angene wadlala ngakhona udlale right and nesaphi yakaNkotho bonile le shot isinikeze something because umremi ube nenhlanhla sheni ukudlala lawo minutes the way bekaluza amabhola ngakhona bekungekho lokho engikubona akwenza kulela side but mhlawumbe le energy mhlawumbe ucoach ubheka izinto ezifana nalezo mhlawumbe ukuthi une energy uyakwazi ukubuya but akazange asinikeze ukudlala ama minutes amaningi kakhulu la bengibona ngathi ngabe bamdonsile bafaka umunye umdlali so yeah Shane ngiyacabanga ukuthi lento engibonile ilento efana nale Shane ukuthi sidlale the way ngibona sidlale ngakhona but ama mistake weZimbabwe yes wina ama mistake njengoba ngisho asenze ukuthi kube lula for thina umsebenzi wethu ube lula.
Bobzin, thank you so much Mshobam for your analysis. Sisifumene isignal from uJust ukuthi no masivale nako scored again kungomvulo namhlanje 29 ka December ngumvulo wokugqibela ku December mhlawumbe xa sidibana sawudibana kunyaka ozayo not mhlawumbe inkosi ivuma sawudibana kunyaka ozayo ka 2026 but ke namhlanje Bafana they are through to the last 16 of the Africa Cup of Nations. They've beaten Zimbabwe by 3-2. Bafana 3 Zimbabwe 2. Thank you so much for watching it TV.
Thank you.
Shapunjani bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.